an international company that follows only 3 rules and has been created a huge history. And these are the rules. Rule number 1. Put the customer first. And rule number 2. Invent. Rule number 3. Be patient. Have you are interested to know which company it is? Yes, the name of the company is Amazon, one of the most popular organization in the current world. So, in this video, let me see some interesting quizzes about Amazon. Question number 1. Who is the founder of Amazon? Option A. Steve Jobs. Option B. Paul Allen. Option C. Jeff Bezos. And option D. Sergey Brin. And the right answer is option C. Jeff Bezos. Yes, Jeff Bezos was the founder of Amazon. He started his company at 5th July 1994 at Washington DC in United States. As we know that Amazon is currently the world's largest online sales company that providing e-commerce products and services including video and audio streaming, cloud computing and artificial intelligence and many more products and services. Question number 2. What was the first name that had been planned for company instead of Amazon? Option A. Nile. Option B. Alexa. Option C. Cadabra. And option D. Phoenix. And the right answer is option C. Cadabra. Yes, the company was originally called as Cadabra, like the magic term abracadabra. However, the name have been often sounded as cadaver, so eventually they came up with a new name called Amazon, a reference to the river in South America. Question number 3. What is the initial business of Amazon in their starting stage? Option A. Hardware shop. Option B. Gadget shop. Option C. Watch showroom. And option D. Bookstore. And the right answer is option D. Bookstore. When Jeff Bezos first started the company in 1995, it was just a bookstore run out of his home garage. So, when Amazon opened their first physical bookstore in 2015, it was staying true to the roots of the company. Question number 4. How many days the employees of Amazon spend in every 2 years for working in service desk? Option A. 2 days. Option B. 5 days. Option C. 1 week. And option D. 10 days. And the right answer is option A. 2 days. Amazon.com employees spend 2 days every 2 years working at the customer service desk, even the CEO too. This practice is to help all workers understand the customer service process. And the question number 5. Who is the current CEO of Amazon? Option A. Jeff Bezos. Option B. Elon Musk. Option C. Lawrence Sankes. And option D. Andy Jassy. And the right answer is option D. Andy Jassy. Yeah, Andy Jassy is the former head of Amazon Web Services, take charge of Amazon.com's operations now. The 53-year-old Jassy replaces Jeff Bezos as the CEO of world's largest e-commerce firm Amazon. He takes over the charge of Amazon at 5th July 2021. Question number 6. How many subsidiaries that are owned by Amazon? Option A 40, Option B 50, Option C 25 and Option D 45. And the right answer is Option A 40 subsidiaries. Amazon owns over 40 subsidiaries, that's including Audible.com, Annapurna Labs, Goodreads, IMDb, Kiva System, which is now as Amazon Robotics, Shopbop, TechStreet, Which and Suppose, etc. In India, Amazon have more than 20,000 Indian sellers and 41 fulfillment centers across 13 states. At July 2016, Amazon launches its Prime membership program in India. Question number 7. What is Amazon's ongoing new project on satellites? Option A, Project Zero. Option B, Project Viper. Option C, Robotics. Option D, Innovation Project. And the right answer is Option B, Project Viper. Yes, the Project Viper is an initiative to launch a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites. It's a planned network of over 3,000 satellites that will provide high-speed internet from space, that will also provide low latency, high-speed broadband connectivity to places beyond the reach of traditional fiber or wireless networks.
If you are having any queries, kindly post your questions in Google form given in the description. We will answer for that. To watch more informative video like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You will receive an instant notification of our new videos.